Hello, and welcome back to Tricky Track Spoken Indian English. My name is Manav. Today's topic is 100 questions and answers in English. Let's get started.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Manav.
How old are you?
I'm 35 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from UP.
Where were you born?
I was born in Lucknow.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in Lucknow.
What do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
Do you like to teach English?
Yes, I do.
Do you give a lot of homework?
Sometimes.
Are you a strict teacher?
Yes, I'm a strict teacher.
Do you like grammar?
Yes, it's interesting.
Yeah. Are you a diligent person?
Yes, I'm very diligent.
Is it difficult to teach students?
Sometimes.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have two brothers and two sisters.
What do you do for fun?
I listen to music for fun.
What are your educational qualifications?
I have a master's degree in English.
Are you happy?
Yes, of course.
Do you like to listen to music?
Yes, I enjoy music.
Can we be friends?
Yes, of course.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't smoke.
Can you do 50 push-ups?
Yes, I can.
Do you miss your parents?
Yes, I miss my parents all the time.
How often do you call your parents?
I talk to my parents every day.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
What's your favorite season?
I love all the seasons.
Are you a foodie?
Yes, I'm a foodie.
What's your blood group?
My blood group is O.
Do you exercise?
No, I don't have time to exercise.
Can you ride a horse on the road?
No, I can't ride.
How many languages can you speak?
I can speak 3 languages.
How was the weather yesterday?
It was cloudy.
What sports can you play?
I can play football and cricket.
Can you do me a favor?
Yes, certainly.
Can you lend me 5,000 Ruzant?
Yes, sure.
Do you have a nickname?
Yes, I have a nickname.
What's your nickname?
Jungali?
What kind of movies do you like?
I love romantic movies and comedy movies.
Are you good at networking?
Yes, I'm a good networker.
What brand is your mobile phone?
iPhone.
Are you an easygoing person?
Yes, I am an easygoing person.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I'm healthy.
Are you handsome?
Yes, I think so.
Do you like taking pictures?
Yes, I like taking pictures.
What kind of woman do you like?
I like a very kind woman.
What makes you awesome?
My height,
What makes you interesting?
my smile.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m.
What time do you usually go to bed?
11 to 12.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Are you tired?
Yes, I'm a little bit tired.
Are you hungry?
Not at all.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can.
Can you play table tennis?
Yes, I can.
Do you have a credit card?
No, I don't have any credit cards.
Are you rich?
No, I'm not rich.
Are you sick?
No, I'm not sick.
Do you like to use social media?
Yes, I like to use social media.
Do you play computer games?
No, I don't play computer games.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I like pets.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What types of music do you like?
I like filmy songs.
Do you have any phobias?
No, I don't have any phobias.
What are your strengths?
Communication skills.
What's your favorite holiday?
Sunday is my favorite holiday.
Are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I'm an introvert.
What makes you happy?
My family and my friends make me happy.
Are you friendly?
Yes, I'm friendly.
Are you a genius?
No, I'm not a genius.
How was your weekend?
It was great.
What's your favorite food?
Italian pasta.
Are you a good boy?
Yes, I am.
Are you a kind person?
Yes, I'm a kind person.
Do you like me?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any problems?
No, I don't have any problems.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I'm not allergic to anything. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Do you play football?
Yes, I do.
Is it easy to play football?
No, it's not easy.
Do you like parties?
Yes, I love parties.
Are you looking forward to the weekend?
Yes, I am.
Are you camera shy?
No, I'm not camera shy.
Are you stingy?
No.
Do you get jealous easily?
Not really.
Oh, wow. What makes you really angry?
Fake people.
Do you have many friends?
I think so.
Are you addicted to anything?
Maybe my phone.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
No.
What makes a happy marriage?
Definitely communication.
Welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.